Bawat araw mas sumasaya, magmula nung makita ka, nawawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na.
Yes, so nagtatanong, siya yung composer ng Pantropiko? Yes. As a 20-year-old na nagsulat ng Pantropiko.
Actually po, first time ko sila na-meet yung recording na po ng Pantropiko.
What was your group called?
A4OU po.
A4OU. She was a member of A4OU and nag-play sila ng second.
The moment pa lang po na nalaman ko na nakuha ng Bini yung song, parang doon pa na like, oh shucks.
And please wag mo akong kalilimutan when you
Yes
become
po.
very, very successful. Okay?
One of my,
Let us all welcome ang singer, songwriter, ang princess mula sa E. Rodriguez, ang pumukaw ng puso nating lahat at talaga namang sumulat ng Pantropiko na number 1 sa puso ko.
Nani?
Let us all welcome the one and only Angelica Sam! Hello, Angelica! Let's go!
Hello po, kamusta po kayong lahat?
Oh my
Kamusta so much?
gosh.
Kamusta so much?
When did you become part of Flip Music?
Po, sa song camp po ng Flip Music.
So you became part of their song camp
Yes po.
no first quarter of last year
Yes po.
when you were
Ay,
20.
20 po, 20.
And in that song camp, you wrote Pantropiko.
Yes po.
Even the melody was yours.
Yes po, melody. Pero yung beats po, si Sir Matt.
O syempre, ano yun production na yun
Yes po.
Pero yung tipong, bawat araw mas sumasaya.
Yes
Sa'yo
po.
yun.
Yes. And then, additional melodies po kay Sir Pao Chavez po.
Dun mo lang siya naisip? Or was there a melody already in your head prior to that? Or
Actually po, nung time po, si Sir Bojam po, yung
Mhm.
producer po nung Pantropiko, nag-send po siya ng beats po. Bali po nauna po yung beats. And then, habang pinapakinggan ko yung beats, parang sobrang nafe-feel ko yung summer vibes, ganyan po. And then, naisip ko po na parang, as a film student po, parang, ang ganda po tignan sa music video ng Why Not, nasa beach sila, ganun. Bali po yun yung nauna, yung visualization po.
Pero you knew it was gonna be for Beanie or not necessarily?
Yes po.
You knew it was gonna be for Beanie.
Yes po.
Yes, so nagtatanong, siya yung composer ng Pantropiko? Yes. As a 20-year-old na nagsulat ng Pantropiko. You know how successful you're gonna be in life? Do you understand that? No, I'm just letting you know. Not a lot of 20-year-olds can come up with that kind of song. She's young and talented. Correct. Certified hit maker. And of course, we cannot naman disregard, of course, the help of Flip Music.
Yes.
Kasi some people might think na parang making a song, it's just like a one-person thing. Hindi. It takes a village, right? And then yung word na Pantropiko, kasi it's the first time that I heard of the term Pantropiko. Is it the correct term? Is it a real term?
Actually po, Pantropiko, sinearch ko po siya na anong Tagalog ng tropical, ganyan. Pero I don't think na parang existing term talaga siya to begin with. Pero sinearch ko lang siya kung anong Tagalog ng tropical. And then lumabas yung Pantropiko. So, wow! Tapos bigla ko po naisip na, bakit mas and then islang Pantropiko since tropical island. Then bale, visualizing lang po yung tropical island as something na parang kayo lang yung nandun nung taong gusto mo.
Pero like you already knew it was gonna be for Beanie. Kasi,
Yes po.
so parang inisip mo, Beanie is really a very, kumbaga, summer vibes kind of
Yes
girl
po.
group.
Nag-research din po kung ano yung mga first few songs nila. And then, dun ko po na ano yung Coconut.
Oh yeah, I directed
Yes
the
po.
Coconut Nut, you know? I directed the
po.
music video of that.
Ayun po, bale po, nag-research po ako about them. And then, nakita ko po yung Coconut.
Okay. And then, so after you put together the lyrics, the melody, you presented it to Flip Music.
Yes po. And then, parang mas inayos pa po nila Sir Bojam, Sir Pao Chavez. Sir Pao Chavez po yung gumawa ng Pantropiko. Yes po. Actually po, wala po siya before nung sa akin pa lang po. Then, sobrang laki rin po ng Pantropiko kasi po, may recall po siya from that po.
At syempre, pag sumali ka ng mga camp na ganito, hindi naman automatic na makukuha agad,
yes
na
po.
mabibili agad yung ano mo. When did you find out na, okay, it's gonna officially be sung by Beanie?
Mga around 4 to 6 months after. Doon ko lang po nalaman. Pero around the span po ng wala pa pong feedback from them. Parang medyo na ano po, sabi ko, hala, hindi yata siguro nakuha kasi parang ang tagal nang wala. Pero since mahaba po talaga yung process ng paggawa ng song and
At pagpili. Pag-approve. Correct. Let us first introduce to you kung sino ba si Angelica Sam. So, Angelica Sam is a Filipino singer-songwriter who wrote the now viral song Pantropico by Beanie. So, guys, do you remember in 2021, there was a show on TV5 called Pop Pinoy. So, she was part of one of the groups there. What was your group called?
A4OU po.
A4OU. She was a member of A4OU and nag-play sila ng second.
Yes.
Ang nanalo nun si Yara.
Yara po, yes.
Okay. So yeah, she wrote Pantropico. You're also hosting Aspire Magazine Philippines cover. Yung second page sa Pop Pinoy. And you also was part of the LOL guesting ng 2021 as part of Pop Pinoy,
Yes,
no?
po.
Correct. Yan. So ito sila sa Pop Pinoy. And then, ito pa yung mga John Robert Powers advertising din siya. And yun nga, siya nga yung writer ng viral na kanta ng Beanie, which is Pantropico. Oh! Guys! Type heart if you appreciated yan. Napaka-talented ng bata na kasama natin tonight. Wow! It's so nice always to see people succeed and see them from their beginning. It's really it fills my heart. I'm genuinely happy when I see the success of the people that especially that I've worked with. Yung kilala mo from the start tapos ay sikat na siya, malaki na siya, ganun. So I'm really happy that I got to meet you now. And please wag mo akong kalilimutan when you become very very successful. Okay?
One of my core memories.
yeah, please. Kasi I know I truly know that you're gonna be successful. And just like Beanie, that it took them 3 years. Actually more, 5 years. Kasi 2019 pa sila katrabaho di ba? It took them 5 years to be where they are now. So sometimes, it is also for the people na nanonood. Sometimes, timing talaga. Just because it's not happening now doesn't mean it's not gonna happen.
Yes.
That just because it didn't work out for you doesn't mean na in other fields it's not gonna work out.
Yes.
Remember guys, your life is always in perfect timing and you're always doing good. I just wanna ask because I'm curious, how does it feel na yung kanta na ginawa niya is isang factor kaya mas na-help na makilala ang Beanie? Ang galing niya, na-amaze ako. How does it feel?
Actually, sobrang the moment pa lang po na nalaman ko na nakuha ng Beanie yung song. Parang doon pa nasa ko, oh shucks.
Kaya ba may ano yun? Kaya ba may oh shucks yun? Or paano mo naisip yung oh shucks na part?
Yung oh shucks po, actually po habang ginagawa ko yung song, may missing parts po siya. Ayun. And then sabi ko, oh shucks, wala na akong maisip. And then, ayun po, nilagay ko na rin po siya dun sa lyrics. Oh shucks, ito ba yung pag-ibig?
Oh my God! Isa ka din talaga sa mga OPM or P-pop hitmakers, Miss Angelica. Grabe. Anyway, how did you feel about meeting Beanie? When you met them?
Actually po, first time ko sila na-meet yung recording na po ng Pantropico. Actually, that time po, so first time ko po pumunta sa studio ng as songwriter na po nung song and then naririnig ko po, sinulat ko yan. Parang ganun po. And then sobrang happy po and at the same time, sobrang kabado po. So with the help po ng Flip po, naging magaan po lahat ng naging journey. And then, yung girls po, Beanie girls po, sobrang babait po nila. And then, actually, nahiya nga po ako. Nasa gilid lang po ako. Hihina po ako, pero daw makaiya. Sobrang hiya ka po. Sabi ko, hello po.
Are you willing to team up together to create a project with Beanie Girls, if ever?
Yes po.
Sino bang tatanggi sa Beanie? Yung totoo, di ba? At this point, meron ba?
True.
So, ningning pa lang yung kanta mo na officially na ilabas.
Yes po, and para lamang sa'yo po.
Ayun yung pre-debut. Parang
Yes,
pre-release
yes,
no?
po.
Sino pong dream nyo makakollab sa future po? So, sino ang gusto mo makakollab?
Cup of Joe po. Sobrang fan po.
Sobrang dali lang siguro nung kasi naisip ko, Namjoon, alam mo yung mga ganyan. Yung parang,
Ano po?
yung sa kanya, di ba, si Cup of Joe, kumbaga parang, sobrang possible. Baka din within the year. O, posible. Ba't naman hindi? Bakit naman hindi? Yun ang tanong. Bakit naman hindi? May nag-request Pantropico. Kaya ba?
Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? Kiss boy, it feels so good. Bawat araw mas sumasaya, magmula nung makita ka, nawawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islang pantropiko. Pantropiko, pantropiko, oh. Sa islang pantropiko. Oh, oh, oh. Sa islang pantropiko.
Oh my God! Ang galing! Ang ganda. Medyo iba yung pantropiko.
Ay, yes,
Medyo
lower po.
Saka parang bumaba, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ay! Ang husay, ang galing, guys.
po.
Oh my God. Grabe. Siyam na pala ang Bini. Solid. Slayable. Ganda ng version.
Thank
Fire,
you
fire,
po.
fire. Clap, clap, clap. Heart, heart, heart. Yes, I heard it from you mismong sumulat ng kanta. Sweet talking voice, pero kaya na nga. Ang layo yung voice mo dun sa singing voice mo. Yung talking voice mo, parang pangalan mo, Angelica. Pag nag-sing ka na pala ka ng si Devila. And once again, saan kanila pwedeng i-follow?
Ayan. You can follow me on my social media accounts sa Instagram, TikTok, YouTube din, and Facebook, and also Spotify at @AngelCasam_.
Maraming salamat,
Thank
Angelica.
you so much po.
Super had fun.
Yes.
I hope that next time I see you, well, hopefully soon, but in the future, in the next coming months, years, you will be as successful as you can be.
Thank you
Anong
po.
ultimate goal mo in life? Or like, in this career? Yung parang pag nagawa mo to, feeling mo, oh, I made it. Okay na ako.
Actually po, etong step po na ginagawa ko, to have a debut single po. Isa po siya sa goals ko before. Actually po kasi gusto ko lang po talaga yung ginagawa ko po. Dito po ako masaya kahit po may schoolworks. Ito po yung parang kahit nakapagod po at times, pero ito po yung parang nagiging pahinga mo eh. Kasi po pag gusto mo talaga yung ginagawa mo, parang nagiging pahinga mo siya. Ayun po. So, passion ko po talaga siya is to express myself through this,
So, wala
this
kang
career.
parang specific goal na dapat makapag-concert ako, makapag-world tour. It's not what you, kumbaga, hindi yan yung goal mo. Ang goal mo lang is to keep on doing this.
Yes po.
Wow! Oh my God! That is so amazing! Shit,
Thank
sorry
you
na
po.
overwhelmed ako kasi it's very rare that I hear that from people. Kasi usually people have like goals, shit, I want to do this at this point in my
Yes.
life, I want to earn this. But it's very rare when you say, you know what, I just want to keep doing what I do because this brings me joy and happiness. And that's actually how you manifest things.
Yes po.
When you don't have that, anong tawag nito? Resistance.
Yes po.
Kasi tanggap ka na ng tanggap eh, di ba? Kung anong bigay sa
Opo.
universe, game, let's
Opo,
go. Kasi
correct.
happy, di
Yes.
ba? That is you are so
Thank you
smart
po.
for your age. You're gonna be super successful. Just,
Thank you.
wag mo lang ako kakalimutan.
Yung mga matay, tila Nining ng mga tala. Yung mga matay, tila kislap sa alang paa. Ano bang talinagang ang iyong mga? Parang nahumaling at nahulog siyang mga matang tila nining ng mga tala. Moonlit whisper secrets soulful in your eyes, emotions awful. Just like gravity pulling me near. No, there ain't nothing to fear. Di kailangan tumila makita ang kalangitan. Kita sa mata mga tala, pati na rin ang kalawakan. Ang iyong mga matay, tila ningning ng mga tala. Tila kislap sa lapang ang iyong dala. Ang iyong mga matay, tila ningning ng mga tala. Yes.
Wow!
Thank you.
Oh my God, thank you so much. Ang galing. Oh my God,
Thank
that was
you po.
live. My God, kayo guys na biyayaan, hi. We'll never forget this and we know that she's gonna be very, very successful in her career. So, thank you so much. Bye!
Thank you so much po.
Ang iyong mga matay, tila
Hello.